Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is bitnot. So bitnot function is mainly used to perform the bitwise not operation, or you can say inverse operation. So to use this function, like we can create a SQLRPGLE program, or we can directly use it in a query. We will discuss both ways. But before that, I will show you the actual table data on which we are going to use this function. So for that, I will run one query, select star from Sharmit1, which is my library name, slash table2, which is my table name. So once I hit enter, you can see there are three columns: ID, value1 and value2. Now let's say if I want to calculate the bitwise not operation for value1. And one more thing, this function only accepts one parameter or one argument. If you like, so far whatever the function we have discussed so far, it accepts two parameter, right? But this time this bitnot function will accept only one parameter. If you try to pass more than one parameter, it will give error. We will discuss while creating the query, we will see like what would be the error if we try to pass more than one argument. But for now, you can just understand, like, we have this column a value1 and we want to calculate the bitwise not operation for this. So in that case, what you can do, you can create SQLRPGLE program, as I have already created here. So here you can see there is one constant variable SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros, and this constant we are going to use this for query verification, like whether the query is executed properly or not. Then we have three variables: result1, result2 and result3. These three variables we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Now here we are setting the commitment control, commit equals to star none, and this is an optional thing because let's say if you are not modifying anything from this program into table, then in that case you can skip these three lines. Below to this, I am using the main query, which is started with the exec SQL command. So just write exec SQL, select value1 comma value2 comma bitnot value1. So what it will do, it will perform the bitwise not operation on value1 column, and whatever the output we will get, it will be stored into this host variable result3. Similarly, value1 will be stored in value1, then value2 would be in result2, and then 3. And this data is coming from Sharmit1 slash table2 fetch first one row only. So in SQLRPGLE, we are just fetching for the first row, not for the entire column. Clear? Once this query is executed, we will verify the same. So here I'm checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then print the result variable, else print the SQL state along with the error message, query ended with an error, and then do the INLR on. Let's quickly compile this program and see the output. So here you can see it is printing 1, then 1 again, and then -2. So this -2 is the result of bitwise not operation of value1. Clear? Now I will show you how we can use this in normal query. So just write this query, select star from Sharmit1 slash table2, press F4, select field. So I will select value1 because I just want to perform the bitwise not on value1. Then I will select this again, and here I will write bitnot parenthesis, then column name and close. Okay, so here you can see for 1 it is returning -2, for 1 it is returning again -2, for 0 it is returning -1 and -1. Okay, so likewise it will perform the bitwise not operation on the given column. Alright, now what will happen, let's say if I try to pass two column here, let's say I try to pass value 2 as well and hit enter. So this time it will give the error, number of argument for function bitnot not valid, because we are trying to pass more than one column. Okay, so yeah, this is how we can utilize this bitnot function in DB2 SQL and SQLRPGLE program. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.